Good morning everybody, good morning. You know, honestly, one of the worst things about living, or one of the worst things about owning a car in New York City, it's got to be alternate side parking, cause like waking yourself up like extra early just to move your car so they could sweep the streets, you know, it's not it. It really isn't. But cold start. Alright, but yeah, I just woke up, have to move the car for alternate side parking. It's kind of whack, you know, but it's part of living in New York, I guess. But having to move. Alright, so one thing I like to do, since I gotta move my car every single week, right, for street cleaning anyways, is this is the, you know, I take it to a wash. It's honestly the perfect opportunity for me to do it, since I don't, like, I'm pretty busy most of the time, right, with work, and by the time I get out, it's pretty late. It's honestly kind of annoying to wash your car at night, because it's like, you know, it gets really hard to drive without the sun. So honestly, this is the perfect opportunity for me to wash my car. You know, so I take advantage of it since I gotta be up anyways. You know, just give the car a good wash. And I've actually received comments before asking why I don't hand wash my cars. And honestly, the only reason for that really is I live in New York City and I don't have access to, like, my apartment doesn't have access to the water supply outside. So if I wanted to fill up like buckets of water, I would literally have to run inside, go to the sink or go to the bathroom, something, and, you know, get water like that. And it's honestly kind of annoying for me to do that. So I just come here and do like a touchless wash. Essentially, I just run it over some water to loosen up the dirt, and then go over it with some soap to, you know, clean it. And then I go back again with water again to rinse it off. And I just try to do a really good job with, you know, using the spray to like really get everything all cleaned up. And but I do use the brush though for my wheels, because, you know, I don't really care if those, you know, it's okay if those get dirty, because I plan to get new wheels later in the future anyways. But yeah, and also my wheels are ceramic coated, so I'm not too worried about them getting all scratched up from the brush. But yeah, this is my routine every time I gotta come and move my car for alternate side parking. You know, really gotta get those, get the coilovers cleaned as well. Alright, but yeah, so now that the car is washed though, it's a good idea to dry it off right away so you don't leave water spots. So I don't usually just drive it straight like this out of a wash. I do keep a bunch of microfiber towels in this car though, so you can see got like a bunch of dirty ones I actually need to wash. I just, you know, kind of forgot about those. But I have like a little AutoZone in the back right here. Ignore my, like, you know, tripods and stuff pre-mixed everywhere. But I thought this was a dog, but it was just a plastic bag. I was like, whoa, what's going on here? So I thought the dog was running up to me. But yeah, I just keep like a bag of like new microfiber towels here, so if I ever need to, I could just clean my car real quick. Just want to make sure I'm not forgetting my keys in there or something like that. Okay, yeah, I'm good. But it's also a good idea though, if you're gonna be using microfiber towels to wash or dry your car, to rip off this white tag right here. It's hard to do it with one hand, but okay, yeah. Just rip off that white tag right there, because you don't want to accidentally scratch your paint. So I'm gonna just go throw out this white tag real quick. Alright, so this is usually the part where I notice all the new battle damage done to the car from parking in the city. So this is the part where I notice all the new nicks and scratches and stuff like that. So it's not the funnest part in my opinion. I don't look forward to this. But, you know, as I'm driving the car though, you could really see like the paint shine where it still shines. It's like, you know, it looks all nice and stuff. But then like the moment I come to the front, I'm just like, oh man, someone backed onto my hood. It's like, oh no, someone like bumped into my bumper again. Paint's cracked, someone bumped into it, you know? The headlight over here scratched, someone must have bumped into it. So it's honestly the most annoying part. I'm just like, man, that's a bunch of paint damage. But, you know, the car is gonna get repainted one day, so I'm just trying not to be too salty about it. But it does suck that it's gonna have like a, you know, some battle damage for now. But it is what it is, you know, it's just part of living in the city. So if you guys, you know, if you guys live in the city, you guys will know like exactly what I'm talking about. And also one more thing I just realized, no more condensation, you know? The summer heat is doing a good job at just evaporating all the water in there. So now for the next, like, you know, few weeks or so, it's gonna be looking clean like this side. No more watery tail lights.
Yeah, I saw a couple of your videos.
Oh, really? Thank you. Thank you for the compliments. Huh?
The other guy had ML2.
The MR2? Yeah, one of my friends has that MR2. Thank you. Thank you. That's cool. You know, random subscriber coming up to me. Alright, what's up guys? The car is all clean and dry and shining in the sun right now. You can see the paint actually, you know, it's actually shining in the sun. But I'm about to head to work right now, so let me just get my car real quick. Alright, so yeah, the car's all clean now. It's looking great actually. But when I was drying it earlier, I did notice a few scratches on the paint. Unfortunately, like new scratches, so that's a little bit tragic, but at this point it's becoming somewhat of a norm, so it is what it is. Car starts right up though, so that's good. But if you're watching this video, by the way, thank you so much for coming up to me and saying hi and complimenting the car. It honestly makes my day whenever like any of my subscribers come up to me just to say hi, or like, you know, say compliment my car or something, like just anything. Like it really makes my day, so I really gotta appreciate you guys, like, you know, for doing that. I will say, you guys are always free to, you know, come up to me, say hi, whatever. Like, you know, I will always make the effort to show you guys some appreciation for watching my content and stuff. But I will say I'm not the biggest extrovert, so, you know, sometimes a lot of the times I do get shy when people come up to me and start talking to me. So I will apologize for that if I come off a little bit awkward at times. But, you know, if you guys ever see me in public and you feel like coming up to say hi, you should always just do it. I will never like not want to talk to you guys, is what I'm trying to say. Like, I don't imagine a situation where I would ever just, like, you know, feel bothered or anything. So if you guys see me out in public, you know, and you guys want to talk to me, just come up, say hi. I'll always show you guys the gratitude and appreciation. I guess if I'm using the public restroom, right? Let's say I'm like in the urinal or something, you guys see me in the restroom. Maybe that might not be the best time to come up to me and say hi. But honestly, even then, if you guys tap me on the shoulder and I'm using the urinal, I'll turn around. I'm like, yo, what's up? Hello. You know, we'll talk somehow. But yeah, I gotta make it to work right now. I still have my little tripod thing set up there, so maybe I'll get some footage because the car is sounding pretty good today. I don't know if it's a combination of weather or whatnot, or maybe the amount of premix I mixed in, but it's making a lot of nice sounds. And, you know, maybe we'll do something after work too, or at least that's what I'm hoping to have happen after work. But yeah, I am a little bit pressed for time, so let's, you know, get start driving. Not this man hopping in the middle of the free.
Hell yeah, dude! I heard the monster motor from a mile away, and I already knew. Oh man, I always love the turns on this, man.
Bro, I was legit looking for parking, and I saw my friend here mean crossing the streets. He's like, let me hop in real quick.
What's up?
That's how we do, you know, car guys, I guess.
Driving in New York.
Someone ran into my car. Alright, so the full story is I was just driving in traffic, right? Just minding my own business.
Yo, I can feel the whole hand in here. I should. It's hot. It's hot. I shouldn't.
But no, I was just minding my own business in traffic, right? Just slowly inching forward. The car in front of me stopped, so I stopped. This lady behind me didn't stop. Just totally rear ends me. I look in the rearview mirror. Oh, they're finally here. They're finally here. You know? But no, they rear end me, right? And then I look in the rearview mirror and she was just on her phone. And you know what's the first thing she said when I got out of my car? And when I was like, hey, can I, like, she was like, because I was taking pictures of everything. She's like, oh, my phone died. I was like, your phone died. She shows me her phone with a black screen. I had to raise the brightness up for her. I was like, you don't know how to raise the brightness up? She had it on the lowest, and she was trying to play it off as if her phone wasn't working. But the damage are, you know, clearly not terrible. So these scuffs are already there, right? It's really, I don't know, like, she made this worse or not. But this part cracked, right?
Yeah,
this part's cracked.
See
this is all from the scratch up, and then there's a big dent right here. So honestly, at this point, I'm really thinking just replace the rear bumper.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
I looked on like Marketplace real quick before before like coming here, there's a parted out one, a red bumper for $200 in Manhattan. So I don't know, might do that. No, I can't catch a break.
You don't deserve this. Poor Rx8.
Yeah, poor Rx8, you don't deserve this. No, I just thought, you know, it was gonna be like after work, you know, we'll go for a drive or something, but just I can never catch a break, man. So why bad things keep happening to me, Sean? My Miata catch on fire, a snowplow runs into my Rx8. What else happened? And then someone breaks into my Rx8 like a few months later, and then now this. Alright, what's up guys? If you guys made it to the end of the video, thank you guys so much for watching it all the way through. I really appreciate you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch this stuff, so thank you guys so much again. Not really the video I wanted to make today though. Honestly, I was just, you know, wanted to go for a drive, record some driving footage, but you know, didn't really want to get rear-ended on my way to work, so that kind of sucks. But as you guys can see in the video though, the bumper is not in too terrible of a shape. It's cracked on the corner where it surrounds the exhaust, and it's dented in the middle, but if you guys have been watching my videos, you would know my rear bumper has been the victim of many parking incidents anyway, so I'm not too upset by it. I think it just adds to it. At this point, I might just, I'm honestly thinking about just buying like a parted out rear bumper from another Rx8 and just slap that thing on and call it a day. So I'm likely gonna just be doing that instead, but yeah, not having the best day. It just feels like I've been having a lot of bad luck recently with cars. If this goes beyond, like, you know, when I started the channel, obviously, I feel like I haven't really told this story all that much. But before I got my Rx8, right, I had a Miata. I mean, I feel like that part I talked about a lot, but it caught on fire due to like an accident where someone was trying to claim insurance fraud, where they reversed into me and said I ran into them, but luckily I had a dash cam, so that saved me. But you know, my Miata was totaled because of that, and then after that I got my Rx8. Started leaking gas in the middle of Manhattan due to a clip, you know, falling out of my fuel line. Had to replace the clip. It was just a little clip, not too much trouble, right? But the towing from the city to back home was terrible. It was like 12 a.m. I didn't get home till like 4 a.m. I think the total for towing was like over $1,000. And then not that long after that, you know, a snowplow hits my car, rams me into the side of the road. This was when I'm parked, you know, I'm home. I come out the next morning, I see my Rx8 on the side of the road. I'm like, what the hell? That was another like hefty few $1,000 repair. And then like not even like that long after that, someone breaks into my Rx8. Like they break the window, they go in there, they steal some stuff, and you know, had to get that fixed. And then, you know, coolant leak, just a lot of things. But I'm trying to move on from it. You know, all this bad luck I'm hoping leads to some really good luck down the line. So you know, I'm hopeful for that. But it does suck that I'm being put in a position where that kind of stuff is happening anyways. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Just kind of make the best of the situation and move on, is what I keep telling myself. But yeah, I've rambled on long enough for today's video, so I'm gonna end it right here. More driving footage to come in the future. Obviously the car is still drivable, so I still have a lot of plans for this week and next week where I'm doing a lot of cool stuff, so you guys will see those in the upcoming weeks. And thank you guys again for staying to the end of the video. Really appreciate you guys. But until the next one, you guys stay safe out there. You know, you gotta be careful when you're driving. You gotta make sure you pay attention, because you're not the only one that could cause an accident. You know, other people are driving crazy out there too. So be careful guys, stay safe out there, drive safely, and until the next video guys, stay safe. All right, peace.